I like an egg. So I can open it.
Who is it? Did you get Spider-Man? Oh, you gotta open it.
But I can't open it.
Yeah, I can open it here.
Open my stacks.
Okay, tear it open.
Right.
Rip it open.
Spider-Man.
Is it Spider? You got Spider-Man?
No, it's not.
I don't know. I didn't think you get Spider-Man. There's a lot of them you have to pick from. You get to choose, or if you don't get to choose. Who did you get? You got Spider-Man! Awesome! I didn't think you would get him. You got him. You got Spider. You could have got any of these guys. Any of these guys. But you got Spider-Man. Nice. He's cute. Let's take a look at him.
He's cute.
Oh, that's cool.
I got him back.
Awesome. You picked it. Actually, this is the only one left, so it's meant to be.